Hi, good morning. I welcome to ATL Marathon 2023-24. I am Tishuvam with my teammate Swapnesh Sahu from the St. Xavier High School, Bharni Bilaspur, class 9th. Our theme of submission is agriculture and our title is PestiScan Pro, AI-powered IoT Sentinel for precision pesticide residue monitoring. Under problem statement, design and construct a device or instrument capable of identifying and measuring the levels of pesticides or other chemical residues present in the soil and food products, thereby verifying their organic status.
Hi, my name is Swapnish Sahu, starting our presentation on the project of PestiScan Pro. Why are you choosing this particular area? Designing and constructing a device to measure pesticide levels in soil and food is crucial for ensuring the organic status of products. Pesticide residues can contaminate agricultural produce, causing health risks and undermining organic integrity. Accurate measurement tools are essential to verify compliance with organic standards, assuring consumers of the purity of their food. This technology empowers farmers, regulators, and consumers to make informed decisions, promoting sustainable agriculture and safeguarding public health. The device enhances transparency in the supply chain, reinforcing trust in organic certifications and supporting a healthier environment. Brief explanation of salient features of proposed solution and how is the proposed solution solving the problem statement. Here's the point-wise explanation of the salient features of the proposed solution for designing a device to identify and measure pesticide or chemical residues in the soil and food products, with the main focuses on sensing mechanism, multi-analyze capability, portable device design, user-friendly interface, real-time analyze, data connectivity, accuracy and precision, cost-effective, environmental consideration, compliance with regulatory standards. In summary, the proposed solution addresses the problem statement by providing a portable, user-friendly, and cost-effective device with advanced sensing capabilities to identify and measure pesticide or chemical residues in soil and food products, ultimately verifying their organic status. What makes our solution innovative and different? PestiScan Pro revolutionizes precision pesticide residue monitoring through its innovative AI-powered IoT Sentinel. This prototype integrates advanced artificial intelligence with Internet of Things IoT technology, enabling real-time, high-precision detection of pesticide residues in agricultural produce. This system employs machine learning algorithms to analyze data from sensors, providing farmers with instantaneous and accurate information on residues levels. This breakthrough not only ensures food security but also enhances crop management practices, minimizing environmental impact. PestiScan Pro's ability to deliver rapid and precise results positions it as a cutting-edge solution in safeguarding both human health and sustainable agriculture. Applications area of our solutions, such as the location, scenario, and user profile where the prototype can be deployed. First, agriculture. Second, food processing facilities. Third, urban environment. Fourth, retail stores. Fifth, hospitality industries. Sixth, transportation and logistics. Seventh, healthcare facilities. Eighth, public places. Ninth, residential areas. 10th, agricultural, academic, and research institutes. What ATL tools technology have you used in the development IoT hardware components? Microcontroller or processor, Arduino or Node MCU sensors, temperature and humidity sensors, moisture sensors, gas sensors, for example, MCs and MQ sensors for various gases, color sensors, Bluetooth module, Wi-Fi modules such as Wi-Fi modules for establishing a network connection, machine learning, BO motors, L298 motor shield, breadboard, jumper cables. Thank you. Now I would like to invite T. Shubham for further presentation.
Thank you so much for handling all the presentation to me. I am T. Shubham and further continuing the presentation. Ground testing and application. Here is a step-by-step breakdown of the ground testing and application of a device using IoT and machine learning to enhance the accuracy and performance of hardware and software simulation for pesticide level detection using sensors. Sensor deployment. Deploy various sensors such as temperature, humidity, moisture and gas sensor in the targeted environment where pesticide level monitoring is required. Connect this sensor to a microcontroller or a specialized IoT device for data acquisition. Network connection. Utilize a Wi-Fi module to establish a network connection for the IoT device. This ensures seamless communication between the sensors and the cloud server. Data acquisition. Collect data from the deployed sensors. The sensors should be configured to provide real-time readings of temperature, humidity, moisture and gas levels in the environment. Cloud integration. Transmit the collected data to a cloud server for further processing. In this case, use a cloud platform such as Think Speak for storing and managing. Data processing. Implement data processing algorithms on the cloud server. This may involve data cleaning, normalization, and feature extraction to prepare the data for machine learning analysis. Machine learning model. SVM classification. Employ a support vector machine. SVM classification for for recognizing pesticide level in the environment. Train the model using labeled data. Associating specific sensor reading with known pesticide levels. Model deployment. Deploy the trained SVM model on the cloud server. This model will be responsible for the classifying in the incoming sensor data and predicting pesticide levels. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Implement a real-time monitoring system that continuously analyzes the incoming sensor data using the deployed machine learning model. Set up alerts or notification to inform stakeholders when pesticide levels exceed predefined thresholds. Key job roles and contributions from each team member. Each one. First, overall research preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection, research, and survey on device or instrument capable of identifying and measuring the levels of pesticides or other chemical residues present in the soil and food products, thereby verifying or their organic status. Third, participation in ideation, development of prototype, and planning for video shooting, registration, and submission of project. Swapnisha. First, overall research, preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection, research and survey on device or instrument capable of identifying and measuring the levels of pesticides or other chemical residues present in the soil and food products, thereby verifying their organic status. Participation in ideation, development of prototype, and planning for content development. Third, overall coordination and submission. Thank you. Now I would like to end my speech and thank you for watching the presentation of the prototype Pestiscan Pro.